Minced meat is another handy meal prep to have available. Very versatile. I showed only how to mince and keep the meat here, but you can also roll it into balls to make meatballs or flatten it to make burger patties. Don't worry, I'll show you those in another video. The only compulsory ingredient here is nothing. Yes, that means you can substitute everything. Instead of beef, you can use chicken, goat meat, pork, crab meat, shrimps, mushrooms, or fish. As long as what you are using is boneless, you are good to go. I add in any veggies, aromatics, and peppers I have available or feel like using. Feel free to experiment. Same with the spices and herbs. Use whatever you have or make it plain and add whatever you want when you are stir frying. Minced meat comes in handy for quick sauces and foods when you are in a hurry. Spaghetti, rice, yam, potatoes, sandwich, meat pie, tacos, pizza, etc. Just stir fry and within 15 minutes it's ready because it cooks fast. I've found that with little things like this readily available, you will never be stranded on what to cook. I'll see you in the next video.